If you've lost access to your Chase bank account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Contact Chase customer service. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide personal information such as your social security number, account number, or recent transactions. This step is crucial for confirming that you are the account holder. Step 3. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may guide you through the process of resetting your password or unlocking your account. Follow their directions closely to ensure a smooth recovery. Step 4. Update security settings. Once you regain access, update your password and review your security settings. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection against future unauthorized access. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Report any suspicious transactions immediately to Chase to ensure your account remains secure. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Chase bank account and enhance its security to prevent future issues.